All right, guys, so we're out here at the shed. We're going to be getting out the old grass cutting lawnmowers that have been sitting here for months because obviously I can't really use them in the wintertime. But needless to say, the grass is growing. I had to cut a lot of limbs out of the trees, and I've had to cut all these bushes up and haul them all off and throw them over there. Yes, I actually do have grass cutting lawnmowers. There's 3 of them. Well, 4 if you count the push mower. Most of you know I have a off-road lawnmower, a racing lawnmower, and a go-kart. So obviously, I'm pretty sure that the battery is completely dead. Biggest thing, let's check the oil. It's right there on full. However, last time I changed the oil was back in March of 2022. I'm guessing the battery terminal is gonna be pretty corroded. Yeah, that looks bad. This right here is for headlights for the front. Obviously they're not working right now because the battery's dead. My brother actually wired these in. The mower deck, the belt is a little bit worn. I'm pretty sure the bearings and spindles might be going out. So far, it's working fine, and I'm just gonna keep running it. The blades might need to be sharpened. So the first thing I'm probably gonna do is try to jump it over with some jumper cables. I'll let it charge for a second. All right, so upon trying to remove these battery cables, the positive bolt would not come off, and it finally just broke in half, and I don't know what the heck happened here. Sanding this down, and I'll reconnect all of it, and hopefully we will have a good electrical connection. All right, so I do believe we have a starter problem here. I tried taking the thing off and spinning the flywheel and jumping it straight to the starter. It ain't doing anything. So now a real simple thing is now going to be having to tear the whole cover off and take apart the starter and figure out why it is not spinning. This is the original starter. And they don't look bad. Oh yeah. That bearing feels like it's seized. Oh, that was freed off. Commutator's got some dirt on it. Hey Cleo. Please work. All right, finally. waited done, belt decided to go out. So yeah, it looks like we're done for the day. All right, so it's the next morning. It stormed a lot last night and we lost power, and it's kind of cool this morning. And I gotta get a new belt for the zero turn. So today we're gonna be getting the GX75 behind this lawnmower out and try to get it going and finish the rest of the yard. I think this thing should actually start up. And all the tires are gonna be flat, making it just that much better. We'll come back to this one. All right, so here it is, John Deere GX75, single 36-inch wide blade. It's not gonna leave a sprig. 9-horse Kawasaki, 5-speed transaxle. Does pretty good for what it is. I'm sure the carburetor might have to be gone through, but we're just gonna try this first. I'm gonna check the oil real quick. I probably should have done that, but. Okay, oil's pretty good. I really do like the fuel tank on this because you can see the fuel level, and it's the easiest thing ever to pour gas in. It smells a little old, but not too bad. This thing has been sitting for about 2 years. I see fuel in the fuel filter, so hopefully the fuel pump is working. Can't ever hurt to also check the air filter. Okay, so far that looks, well, yeah, that might need to be replaced. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna shoot this out with some carb cleaner and this thing should be fine. Also guys, do not over tighten this bolt. It's not there to bolt things together. Just hold the flip ball on. Just get it kind of pretty tight and then give it a little extra turn. Call it good. right, so I ended up pulling this one up here. The tire came off of the rim right there, as you can see, and I had to seat it back with a ratchet strap. And I just hooked the jumper cables up to it, hit starter, and the thing cranked right up. It's burning a little bit of oil. The hood is made out of an old water heater. My stepdad made it. It's a 14 horse Kawasaki. Hate all these stupid safety sensors. Yeah, that's burning a bunch of oil, guys. So yeah, this is the bush hog kind of bullcrap lawnmower we use to mow stuff like this and roots and rocks and all that sort of stuff. All right, y'all, so that's about gonna do it for this video. Not the most entertaining video in the world, but buffing the starter and cleaning out the carburetor and my grass cutting lawnmowers, because I know a lot of y'all are used to seeing a racing and off-road lawnmower and a go-kart. So a grass cutting lawnmower is something a little different. Also the other day to get the push mower out, I do drain all the fuel and gas out of it, and we've had this thing for over a decade. And I put fuel in it, pulled it a couple times, primed it, thing cranked right up. I do have some other video ideas I have planned for this summer, so stay tuned for that. Thumbs down twice if you didn't like the video, and you guys should see me in the next one.